Burn a bay leaf every day and the results will leave you amazed. You probably already know about bay leaves, but do you know what happens when you burn a bay leaf at home? I started doing this, and I confess I was surprised. And after I tell you 3 powerful reasons to burn bay leaves at home, I bet you'll want to do it too. And don't worry, this isn't any kind of superstition. It's just a very valuable tip that will help you a lot. So here's the tip. Surely you've heard of bay leaves. You might have had their tea, or used them to cook or season your chicken or beans. But did you know that the benefits of bay leaves don't stop there? Burning bay leaves at home brings benefits that we might not imagine. When we burn these leaves, their phytochemicals are released into the air. These bring benefits to health and the environment. And that's what I'll be telling you about in this video. Before I tell you all the benefits of these leaves, I'll show you the right way to burn them. Here's what you do. First, choose a suitable place to burn the bay leaves, away from curtains, tablecloths, or paper, preferably on a smooth surface and inside a glass dish or container. Place the bay leaves in the container. Using a lighter or match, let them burn slowly. Let the smoke spread throughout the room. The leaves won't catch fire completely. They'll just smolder and release smoke. Now relax and breathe. You're about to feel all their benefits. This process helps reduce headaches, anxiety, calms, and brings more tranquility. It also helps respiratory health and improves our brain's capacity. But why does this happen? It's because of the essential oil in the bay leaf, containing geraniol, linalool, eugenol, and pinene, as well as organic acids, fatty acids, and tannins. This helps purify these ailments. So next time you feel discomfort, don't hesitate to burn bay leaves and enjoy all their benefits. You can do this when you have headaches, anxiety, and it will also reduce any respiratory inflammation. This can work wonders if you suffer from allergies or have a strong cold. Additionally, burning bay leaf smoke releases positive energy and relaxation. You know that nice and relaxing smell that spreads when the bay leaf is burning? It's believed that the smoke from burning the leaf brings good energies and repels negative ones, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere in the house. So next time you feel discomfort, don't hesitate to burn bay leaves and enjoy all their benefits. You can do this when you have headaches, anxiety, and it will also reduce any respiratory inflammation. This can work wonders if you suffer from allergies or have a strong cold. So that's the tip for today. I really hope you liked it. Hugs, and see you in the next video.